Hello world, it's Melly Monday! And I hate working. They made me shave my chin here. Look, I look like a baby crocodile. But back to what I was saying, it's Melly Monday. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Look at that. Tuning in to another Melly Monday. You know, I got on my, Back to the Future slave jacket. You know, I got my Hawaiian butterfly coats. And I keep me a little Kango. So, I want to let y'all know, thank y'all for tuning in to Melly Monday. And we about to go in. Okay? Oh, is this George? You better get them kids. Who done shot all them bottle rockets out there? They done ran all in my mustard greens, my collard greens, and my sweet potato greens. Stole my lolly and they shot all them bottle rockets out there. No, they done ran in my mustard greens, my collard greens, and my sweet potato greens. Who done shot all the bottle rockets out there? Get him out. You don't see him? Look at my yard. Look at my yard. Look at my yard. Look at my yard. Hey. Hey, go get him. Hey, shot my dog. They done shot him with the bottle rocket. They done shot him with the bottle rocket. They done shot him with the bottle rocket. They gonna shot him with the bottle rocket. Hey. You don't think I know it's them? They out there playing Duck, Duck, Goose, and I'm a goose, one of their answers. They out there playing Mary Had a Little Lamb, and I'm a bae, bae, bae. Oh, they little answer. Cause they done stole all my mustard green, they done walked in my collard green, they done stole my PlayStation 2 remote control card, and you gotta take care of them kids. One of them still getting breastfed, and he's 13 years old. And one of them got a Jerry curl and is 2 years old. And one of them don't even have one pair of shoes and don't got no clothes. And one of them work at Walmart and he always steal the remote control. Nigga.